we do.
Hey guys, it's Mishi.
I'm Lexi.
Yeah, we're in Lexi's room.
It's kind of ugly.
Kinda.
Yeah. Okay, but I had it since I was like 4.
Yeah.
5.
This Chris
5.
Brown.
Ooh.
Miley Cyrus. Emily something. Selena Gomez. Woo! Team Selena. Okay. What's up?
Wow.
Shut up.
Wow.
You have fairies on your wall.
Yes, I do, and they're sexy. You want to see them?
They're not sexy fairies.
Shut up, they are.
Everyone, Lexi Bum Bum.
No, stop touching my ass. Inappropriate sexual harassment, Dad. Yes, I know my walls are ugly. Okay, we can't really see them, but whatever. Okay, you know what? They're sexy. Shut up.
You're sexy.
I know. I'm joking. No, I look bad, Dad. Please, I'm tired. Okay, no, I don't. I look fucked up. Both look fucked up.
Okay, let's back up. Back the fuck up.
Okay, pass me the pillow. Remind me why we're sitting on the floor?
Because you have no better place to shoot it.
I know.
We're shooting we're shooting a video from her bed.
Could shoot in the closet.
You're stupid. Oh, everyone, let's go see Lexi's underwear.
No, let's not go see my underwear. That would not be very.
What about her bras?
No.
He just kicked me in the face.
Okay, could this be a blooper?
This is so blooper.
No, we're not making another video. The camera's gonna die. Today we're gonna talk about. Shut up! Shut up!
You're gonna kill the camera with your face.
She's like, just like masturbate her now. Get off of me! Don't touch me! Sexual harassment. Sexual harassment! Sexual harassment! I'm calling the cops! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! What the hell are you doing?
She's wearing her boots.
They're sexy.
They're
unsecure. They cost more than your wardrobe.
No, you
Go! What the hell? Ow! Why are you so violent today? You need to take some concern or something.
Oh, I'm wearing my sexy Converse.
Sure she is.
I'm sorry. Yeah, this is gonna be.
No.
Look
Not
my bag.
Yeah.
So cool. Yeah. Look at her hair. Isn't it pretty? Her hair is pretty. And maybe they can see.
They probably can. That'd be so funny. We could do a whole video and all our time. All you can see is our mouth. It would be. Shut up.
Oh no. She put her hand over my mouth once and I bit her. Yeah, we're gonna go and make more videos later. Mwah.
No, I'm moving.
No! No, I like this.
It's gay and retarded.